Jai Srimanarayana. 8th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Shariram yadavapnoti yacchapi utkramati Ishvaraha गृहीत्वा एतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धा निवासयात् ॐ Realize that the senses of perception of your subtle body, like your eye, your ear, your touch, your tongue, your mind, this entire set is not a new item to this birth, but you have been carrying this set of item ever since you got into the cycle of birth and death. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that all the senses of perception of my subtle body is there with me ever since I got into this cycle of birth and death. My aim is to get rid of this cycle of birth and death. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam Gajendra Mokshanam to Parikshin Narendra and saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Gajendra praying Bhagavan like this. Ekanti no yasya nakanchanardham Vanchanti ye vai భగవత్ప్రపన్నాః. అత్యద్భుతం తచ్చరితం సుమంగళం గాయంత ఆనంద సముద్రమగ్నాః. తమక్షరం బ్రహ్మపరం పరేశం అవ్యక్తం ఆధ్యాత్మిక యోగగమ్యం. అతీంద్రియం సూక్ష్మమివాతిదూరం అనంతమాద్యం పరిపూర్ణమీడే. ఏకాంతినో యస్య న కంచనార్థం వాంఛన్తి యే వై భగవత్ప్రపన్నాః. అత్యద్భుతం తచ్చరితం సుమంగళం గాయంత ఆనంద సముద్రమగ్నాః. తమక్షరం బ్రహ్మ పరం పరేశం అవ్యక్తమాధ్యాత్మిక యోగగమ్యం. అతీంద్రియం సూక్ష్మమివాతిదూరం అనంతమాద్యం పరిపూర్ణమీడే. హే భగవన్, without having any other desires, there are some people who have exclusive devotion towards you and they always want to serve you, they surrender to you, they worship you, they praise your divine glory, they always wants to listen to your miraculous, most auspicious, such glorious stories, and they praise, they sing your divine attributes and divine qualities. In that way, they always will be dwelling in the divine ocean of eternal bliss. Those bhaktas, those devotees would never desire for any other things other than your seva. Bhagavan, now I am in this trouble. I am doing my namaskaram to you. You are an eternal. You are beyond manas and speech. You are the master of all the Brahma and other devatas. You are the one can be perceived only by devotion. Hey Bhagavan, you are main root cause for this entire thing, and you are complete and you are always content. You are unlimited. Such, Hey Bhagavan, I am doing namaskaram to you. Like that, Gajendra praying Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 15th chapter 8th sloka. Shariram yadavapnoti yacchapi utkramati svaraha gruhitva etani samyati vayurgandhani vasayat. Shariram yadavapnoti yacchapi utkramati svaraha gruhitva etani samyati vayurgandhani vasayat. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.